Welcome to this week's installment of Tech Tuesday. We took a little break for Cisco Impact, but today I wanted to show you the new electronic shelf labels that I've been working on here. So as you can see, we have them all up here. They are from SES Imagotag, and what's great about that is there's already an integration with the Meraki access points, and so I can automatically control the shelf labels with the existing infrastructure. So I'm looking at these and I'm realizing that this is not a tuxedo pen, that this is the Nike hat. So what I want to do now is show you how we can update these very quickly and easily using the Fusion app from SES Imagotag. Let me do that for you now. Okay, so here we are in the V-Link app, and so I can grab I just tap on the camera icon and it brings up the scanner, and I can put the barcode in, and then I just update the product code to be the one that is for the hat. So it automatically does that. And now we'll see it update. There you go, Nike Legacy 91 cap with our price and everything. I'll put it back on the shelf. And so it's that easy. So an associate can go through, if they see that the label doesn't match up, they can use the app, input the product number, and it'll automatically update the labels. See you next time.